Welcome to Non-Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can get tax forms from your Airbnb hosting dashboard. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not suitable for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb, click on switch to hosting on the top right corner. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once there, you need to click on menu here in the top and then click on earnings. Now this is the earnings page where they display all the upcoming earnings and all the paid out earnings if you have under this section. To get the tax forms, you need to click on the tax information tab, which is at the bottom of this page. And on this page, you can add your tax info. For example, if you are in US, you can just enter all your tax details here. And once you have added your tax info, all your tax documents like 1099 forms will be available in this second tab, which is the tax documents tab. But in my case, because I've not added any tax info yet, none of the documents have been produced for me. And if you did not add your tax info, there is still a way you can get the data out from Airbnb for your tax submission. Just click on switch to hosting once again on the top right, and then go to menu again and click on earnings, and then click on show all upcoming button. This will display the data for the future bookings by default. But if in your case, if you want to report your last year's earning, for example, you can just click on all dates and choose custom dates. After that, all your earnings for that period will be displayed here. And you can just click on get report at the bottom, and then you can choose how you want the data to appear, and it can be delivered to your email. You just check this box, or if you just want to open it on the device, you can click that and create report. And all the earnings you have in this period will be available for you in an Excel sheet, and based on that, you can report your earnings for that period. But the best thing to do is just go into earnings and make sure you've added your tax details under tax information section. After that, Airbnb will keep giving you the documents by default. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Until next time, bye-bye.